Using a water-resistant cement backer board under laundry room floor tiles prevents moisture damage and keeps the tile installation stable. A water-resistant cement backer board acts as a moisture barrier that prevents water from reaching the plywood subfloor, so the underlying structure stays dry and rot-free. Install it by laying cement board panels over a cleaned and flat subfloor. Use alkali-resistant screws every 6 inches along the edges and in the field, and leave a small 1/8 inch gap between panels to accommodate movement and thinset. Coat seams and fastener heads with an industry-approved membrane or alkali-resistant tape embedded in thinset to create a continuous water-resistant plane that directs incidental moisture away from wood below. The board also provides uniform rigidity so tiles do not flex and grout does not crack, which means using smaller grout joints is safer and tile warranties are more likely to remain valid. If your existing plywood has deflection, add blocking or additional joist support first, then install a layer of 1/4 inch exterior grade plywood if needed to reduce bounce before fastening the cement board. Mix thinset mortar to the manufacturer recommended consistency, back butter each tile plus butter the board, or use a full bed method for large format tile to eliminate voids and ensure proper bond. The most common mistake is failing to prepare the subfloor level and rigid enough for tile, which leads to cracking. Fix this by measuring deflection, reinforcing joists, or adding a ply layer before the cement board. Another frequent problem is improper fastening and untreated seams that allow moisture migration. Avoid this by using the correct alkali-resistant screw pattern and embedding tape and membrane over joints and screw heads. A third issue is using the wrong thinset or not back buttering tiles, which causes hollow spots and eventual tile failure. Always use a polymer modified thinset suited for cement backer board and follow back butter or full bed practice for large tiles. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like installing cement backer board and tile in laundry rooms, and we show project examples and community discussions so you can learn from others who have tackled similar jobs. We help contractors find work by listing their services and letting them join the conversation in our discussion community to build reputation and answer homeowner questions.